Oculus for HU198. Search by the number of the label. Enter the menu, Oculus, and search the Ford vehicle. Input the lock number of the label into application 30757. Click search and wait for the key beating. Enter the result. It will show the getting picture of the key. And then install the original key depending on getting picture. If installation is okay, please click Confirm, Continue. Pay attention. Please use the cutter 1.5 to cut this key. You have to replace the cutter 1.5 ahead of time. Right now, click Cut, Continue, and start to cut the key. Clean the particles. One side is okay, and then cut the other side. Nice cutting, and then have a try. Perfect cutting.